Hey guys, so this is how to share your Crunchyroll account with other people. What you need to do is just go to crunchyroll.com and then log into your account. And to share your Crunchyroll account with other people or to stream it on different devices, you would have to subscribe to the premium version. So, um, to do that, just click on the premium button right here and it will take you directly to the premium plans. And what you're gonna need to do is subscribe to the Mega Fan plan instead of the Fan, because the Fan only allows you to watch or stream on one device. But the Mega Fan allows you to stream on up to 4 devices at a time, so 4 people can use the same account. And yeah, you can just I have a free trial because I just created an account, but you're not gonna have a free trial if you already used your free trial. So you're just gonna have to subscribe to the Megafan premium plan, and happy streaming. So yeah, this is how easy it is. Hope that video is helpful.